How to turn off silent mode on iPhone without switch. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to Accessibility as shown. From here, you can personalize iPhone in ways that work best for you with accessibility features for vision, mobility, hearing, speech, and cognition. Go to the Physical and Motor section and tap on Touch. Here, go to Assistive Touch at the top. On this page, turn on the Assistive Touch feature. Assistive Touch allows you to use your iPhone if you have difficulty touching the screen or if you require an adaptive accessory. Then, swipe down on the screen from the top right corner and tap on Device. Here, tap on the Unmute button to turn off silent mode. Following these steps, you can easily turn off silent mode on iPhone without switch. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.